Zealand Traffic College. Oh, the guys at EBS are going to be absolutely astounded doodle when I come back as a fully fledged traffic officer. Yeah! Let's go, Chucky. Oh, yes! This is why I'm at the MOT. Whoa, motorbikes. I wonder if I could trade my little one up for this one. It's good. Oh, wow! Doodle, Richard, hey, I see the bump into you everywhere.
Well, the same could be said about you, Russell. What on earth are you doing at the traffic college?
Oh, Richard, I've decided to become a traffic officer. I can just see myself teaching safety to all little early birders. I hate to think of those little guys getting squished, you know? Oh, and of course, there's always the other aspect. Driving in fast cars, stopping evildoers, going on high-speed chases with lights flashing and sirens blowing. Oh, whoa, tires screeching, yeah! What are you doing here, Richard?
Well, I've just finished a refresher course on community liaison. 4 days worth.
Oh, whoa, that's a long course.
Oh, not as long as yours is going to be, Russell.
What, you mean mine's going to be longer than 4 days?
Oh, 24 weeks, actually.
What? But I have to get back to EBS on Saturday.
Well, maybe you can have a look around, check out the course, and if you want to, enroll later.
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, lead me to the fast cars, dude.
Oh, let's go and fill in the forms first.
Oh, whoa. Oh. Surname from Sir Russell. Previous occupation? Superstar. Hey, what's going on? Oh yeah, of course, my uniform. Huh. Is this enough? Oh, road traffic law. Hey, is there a section on there on squished wingers? Oh, Richard, I've enrolled, I've got my law book. Let's hit the streets, dude.
Oh, sorry, Russell. It's actually drill and deportment training time.
Drill? Are you kidding me? That's the most boring thing in the whole world, man. All I do is walk around in circles. No way.
Well, every recruit has to do it.
Oh, rat. Oh, I've got an old war wound, Richard. Plus, I've got an arthritic wing.
Rooster!
Ooh.
Well, front! Quick! March! Right, left. Left, right, left, right, left. What? Front! Hold up! By the road!
Richard, what are we doing here?
Well, about 50% of the course is spent learning about traffic regulations, laws, writing reports, working on computers, so the recruits spend a fair bit of time in the classroom.
Oh, well, what about the very important stuff, Richard? Driving fast cars, flashing lights, screaming sirens.
Well, there's time for that later, but first of all, there's public speaking.
Oh, I'm good at that. Unaccustomed as I am to public speaking, you're probably wondering why I've asked you all here today. Well, that reminds me. A funny thing happened on the way to the training college.
Russell.
Well, am I allowed to talk in here, Richard?
As loud as you like, Russell.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. Well, Richard, why do the recruits have to learn about public speaking?
Well, sometimes traffic officers are asked to talk in schools, blanket groups, lines, things like that.
Oh, yeah?
And some of them find it quite difficult.
Oh, that's amazing. Oh, well, check that out. I'm going to go and see that.
Russell! Russell! Russell, wait!
Okay, come on, snap into it. Away you go.
Hey, Richard, come on, look at this. Whoa, man. This looks like a lot of fun. What are they doing?
Well, it's very important for traffic officers to learn about self-defence. Hopefully they'll never have to use it, though.
Oh, yeah? Well, I think I want to use some. Come on, dude. I can do that stuff. Uh-oh. You're actually quite a bit bigger close up, aren't you, dude? Well, now, look. No one's ever called Russell Rooster a chicken. What are we doing, dude?
Well, Russell, we're just learning some basic throws and landing techniques.
Oh, yeah, throw. Oh, no, just kidding. Seriously, what are we doing?
Okay, Wayne, would you like to come over and show Russell how to do it, please?
Oh, no, I just want to... Oh, whoa. 3-point chicken. Hey, Richard. Richard, can we try something else now, please? Now, this is what I came to training college for.
What we're doing here is practicing emergency braking.
Oh, good. Well, I think you should brake. Brake. Oh, woohoo!
Okay, Russell, this is our skid car. We'll take you for a little ride in this. This vehicle is designed to help you, or trained to be able to control a slide should your car get into one.
Oh, whoa, man! What are you doing here, Wayne?
Practicing our steering and cornering techniques.
Oh, yeah? Hey, how many hours do you spend driving?
Oh, about 150 hours.
Oh, man, that's a long day.
Oh, it's not all done at once, Russell.
Oh, whoa, Richard. What a day, dude.
What did you think of the course?
Well, there's obviously a lot more to training to be a traffic officer than I first thought of, because, like, I hardly even scratched the surface.
Well, do you think you'll sign up?
Actually, no. I think I'm sort of quite happy where I am. Besides, the early birders would really miss me if I left TBS. But I can always come and visit you guys here at Traffic Safety, can't I?
Oh, of course, you're welcome at any time, Russell.
Oh, well, thanks.
Tell you what, how'd you like to be an honorary traffic officer?
Like it? Man, I would love it.
Well, here's your warrant card
Oh, wow.
and your cap.
Oh, should I kneel?
Oh, well, it's not quite like being knighted, Russell.
Oh, you can, yeah. Whoa. Oh, whoa. Wait till the guys at EBS see me, man. Oh, just one thing, Richard. Do I get a patrol car?
Well, I don't think we can quite manage that. But how'd you like a lift in mine, Russell?
Hey, that's Officer Russell. Come on, let's go. Oh, whoa, the chauffeur.